Let's be honest for a second. For the last couple of years, we've basically been sold a massive lie. We've been told that the future of artificial intelligence, the really powerful stuff, has to live exclusively in some distant centralized cloud. We've been convinced that to harness advanced intelligence, we have no choice but to rent it. But today, we're tearing that idea down. We're exploring a completely different and frankly, infinitely more empowering reality, the Local AI Manifesto. This is about a massive paradigm shift toward digital sovereignty, where you run raw, unfiltered intelligence right on your own hardware.
Think about the stakes here. What actually happens when the cloud leaks your proprietary source code or feeds you poisoned advice? It's terrifying, right? Right now, a staggering 44% of organizations list data privacy as their absolute top barrier to adopting AI, and they are absolutely right to be paranoid. Every time you send a prompt to a cloud-based API, your sensitive data is passing through external servers. Imagine handing over your confidential financial records or private health data to a third party you don't control. For a lot of us, that is just a massive, unacceptable risk.
But here's the best part. The solution isn't years away, and it doesn't cost a fortune. It's literally sitting on your desk right now. You absolutely do not need a $1 million enterprise budget or a machine learning PhD to build these systems anymore. In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can run incredibly powerful, entirely uncensored language models locally. We're talking totally secure, 100% private, all running on the consumer hardware you probably already own. So let's talk about the trust deficit and what we call the poisoned cloud. Because for decades, big tech promised us the magical home of the future. But what did we actually get? We got planned obsolescence. We got smart devices that instantly turn into useless paperweights the literal second a company decides to shut down its server. It comes down to a really stark choice. On one hand, you have the poisoned cloud. It constantly mines your data. It drains your bank account with what industry experts are calling subscription fatigue. I mean, the average consumer is bleeding around $273 a month on subscriptions right now. Plus, it introduces frustrating latency because your data is bouncing across the country. On the flip side, you have local sovereignty. We're talking absolute, uncompromising privacy. $0 in per-token fees, the ability to tap into world-class intelligence completely offline. You get total, unfiltered power because every single prompt stays locked down on your own infrastructure.
Now, I want you to remember this exact number, 2 million. This isn't just some random statistic. This is a highly specific mathematical tipping point where the entire game changes for anyone using AI at scale.
2 million tokens is the daily threshold where shifting to a local AI setup stops being just about privacy and instantly becomes vastly more economical. Look, if you or your team are processing more than 2 million tokens a day, paying a cloud provider for API access is basically just setting your money on fire. You're accumulating token debt. By bringing this in-house, you swap out a never-ending monthly drain for a fixed hardware asset that belongs to you.
Okay, moving into the hardware reset. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you need a massive $10,000 GPU rack to pull this off, right? Nope. It is time to bust the expensive GPU myth once and for all. The barrier to entry has completely collapsed. The absolute secret weapon here is something called quantization. This is the magic trick that makes local AI possible on everyday consumer gear. Basically, quantization compresses the AI model. Instead of using super precise 16-bit numbers for the AI's internal weights, it intelligently rounds them down to a less precise format, like 4-bit. It shrinks the file size down dramatically so it fits on regular laptops, but it does it without ruining the model's core reasoning skills. Think of it like compressing a massive raw 4K video file into a standard MP4. It's way smaller, it's easier to run, but to the human eye, it looks virtually identical.
Just look at how massive this reduction really is. A massive 70 billion parameter model running in full precision needs about 140 gigabytes of video RAM. That is strict enterprise, data center territory. But by applying a 4-bit quantization, you slash those memory requirements by 75%. That exact same heavy-duty model now runs comfortably on just 40 gigabytes of VRAM. Better yet, a really capable standard 7 billion parameter model can now run smoothly on just 4 to 5 gigabytes of everyday RAM.
So when you actually look at the entry requirements, they are surprisingly accessible. A base 16GB Mac with Apple Silicon or a standard PC with a mid-range gaming GPU and 8 gigs of VRAM is more than enough to get snappy, responsive performance from a model like Llama 3. And the reason for this is fascinating. Local LLM performance is entirely bottlenecked by memory bandwidth, not raw processing power. It's all about how fast your system can read data from memory, not how fast the chip itself crunches the numbers.
Quick pause. Have you subscribed to CyberTips Explainer yet? Subscribe now, like and share this explainer with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense. Now back to the explainer.
All right, let's get our hands dirty with the Local AI Toolkit and live deployment. Let's look at the actual open source software stack you need to get this running today, completely for free. You've essentially got three main pillars to choose from in this ecosystem. First is Ollama. Think of it like Docker, but for LLMs. If you're a developer or just love the command line, it's brilliant. One command to install, one to run. Boom. Second is LM Studio. This is a gorgeous desktop app with a full visual interface. It is absolutely perfect if you want to discover models, tweak parameters, and prototype without touching code. And third is Local AI, which is a heavy-duty, enterprise-grade drop-in replacement for OpenAI's API. It handles text, image, and audio generation all under one roof.
The most crucial takeaway here is how ridiculously simple this is to execute. Want to see it for yourself right now? Step 1, just download LM Studio. Step 2, use the built-in search bar and look for Llama 3 8B. Step 3, hit download on the Q4 quantized version. And Step 4, this is the real aha moment. Physically disconnect your computer from the internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi. Now type in a complex prompt and watch your AI generate high-level reasoning, completely offline.
Because everything is local, you're bypassing the cloud entirely. Zero network round trips to distant data centers. And because of that, your time to first token drops to under 100 milliseconds. You get intelligence that is instant, offline, and feels lightning fast.
Okay, so we've got the engine running locally. Let's move to advanced hardening. A standard AI model is cool, but out of the box, it knows absolutely nothing about your specific life or your business. We need to fix that. We solve this with a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. By hooking up tools like local recall and a local vector database, you can build a secure pipeline that actually reads your PDFs, scans your proprietary code bases, and ingests your internal company wikis. The AI reads it, understands the context, and lets you chat with your own data, all without uploading a single byte to the internet. This right here is exactly why major highly regulated industries are pivoting so hard to local models. This is how healthcare providers, legal teams, and finance professionals guarantee HIPAA compliance and strict data security. They can feed the AI their most sensitive, confidential reports or parse privileged attorney-client data entirely on-premise. The risk of exposing their proprietary strategy to an external cloud completely eliminated.
Wrapping up, let's talk about reclaiming digital independence. Because ultimately, this transition is way bigger than just a fun weekend tech project. As we navigate this massive shift, the Local AI Manifesto lays out 5 core principles to keep us grounded. First, authentic voice. Never let a bot speak for you. Be yourself. Second, strategic ownership. The AI is just an assistant. You own the overarching strategy. Third, absolute responsibility. If something goes wrong, you take the blame. No saying, well, the AI made a mistake. Fourth, treat AI as a partner, not some all-knowing black box oracle. Stay curious. And fifth, inclusion. Use these tools to empower the people around you.
Think about what this means for your future. As we push toward 2026 and beyond, building your own sovereignty stack is the ultimate insurance policy. It guarantees that your entire workflow won't just break overnight because some cloud provider decides to radically change their terms of service, jack up their API pricing, or just straight up go bankrupt. You are 100% insulated from vendor lock-in. The barrier to entry is completely crumbled. The open source tools are free, quantization has made the hardware incredibly affordable, and the absolute power of cutting-edge AI is quite literally sitting in your hands. So I'm going to leave you with one final, provocative thought for your own digital future. Are you going to keep renting your intelligence, or are you going to build the infrastructure to actually own it?